Right guys, we're back again. We're here at the top of Church Street. It's 7 o'clock. What we're going to do is we're going to have a walk down through town. See the brollies there. So it's still raining. Yeah, it's 5 to 7. So we're here now at St John's Square. Try and keep the rain off the camera. So we're going to make our way down to Central Drive. Certainly turned out miserable now. But don't forget guys, like and subscribe. It's not cold, it's just the rain.
Why is it going?
So it's a rainy night in Blackpool. Hope you're all doing well.
The beer bundles.
Holding on tight to the brolly though, because there is a bit of wind under this brolly. Yeah, so it started off today, it was a cracking day and look how it's turned out. Don't think it was July, would you? Weather like this. It's the same every year. I think B&M's they're open till about 8 o'clock then. Right, so we're just here at Bankgate Street. Look, they've all gone in now, look. Bit of rain, they all go in.
I hope you're having a good time with you.
So we're just here now at the back of the tower. Yeah, this weather, it just makes it miserable when you're walking about, doing your walkabouts. You can see the wind blowing. Yeah, so we're just coming up to Central Drive now.
Tell me. Yeah, they see a bit of rain, guys, they run for cover. So we're here now where the castle is, just outside Coral Island. Gonna cross over. Right guys, I'm going to end the video there because it's hard to hold this brolly as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care of yourselves. Look after yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next video. So bye for now.